Here's how Instagram live videos used to be found and what works now. Swipe left and choose live to start a short broadcast. Once done, share it with someone, then end and discard it. Head to the chat where you sent the live. Before, tapping watch more would show other live videos. But Instagram has removed that feature. Now, the best way to catch live videos is by watching for the colorful ring with the live label in your stories feed, or if someone shares their live video directly. And that's everything you need to know. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.